Today we are taking off the pedal control sensor and replacing it. We're gonna pull off this floorboard cover. Usually it's in place with 2 bolts here, but right now they're not here. Luckily, straight to it. Take this off, just place it up here. You got 1 10mm here, 2, 3, and then 4. And this comes up on the left side is gonna be your brake sensor. The right side is gonna be your pedal sensor. So let's get to it. 10mm. Right back. And once you get those 4 bolts out, place those to the side. Left side, you can pick it up and you see on this left side is your brake sensor. Go around to the other side. And there is your pedal control sensor. What you're gonna do is, let me show you. Show you one that's already out. Where we at? Here we go. That wire connects to the connections in the back. You're gonna unclip it, this clip, and take out the 2 screws that are inside right here as well. Unscrew, unclip, comes off. Reclip it, rescrew it, back in action. You're gonna wanna get it out of the placement. That way, if you are by yourself, or you can just have it somewhere where you can get to these 2 bolts right here. You're gonna need an Allen wrench, pretty small one. Get these 1 and 2 bolts out and follow the cord and get that connector off as well. Be right back. Kind of hard with just one hand, but I'll get it done. Okay, we have gotten that pedal control sensor off. Like I said, it was fairly easy. Would have been easier if I had another set of hands, but it's okay. Like I said, we'll get it done. This comes out, those 2 holes, there they are. You're gonna need you a small size Allen wrench in order to fit inside of there and get them out. But once you do, this will be still sitting on top just because of the glue-like substance that's behind it. You can go get you a flathead screwdriver and pry it out. I had to actually take out the actual pedal control. Same way, unclip the brake on one side, left side, right side is gonna be your pedal control sensor side. So once you get it out, you can replace it just that easy. It's literally just make sure that center is lined in with that center. Screw it back in and you're back in there. Let's do it. Do not forget, if you do end up taking this off, you make sure, see how it's not in there? Brake rod, make sure that goes back in because you won't have no brakes if you don't. 1 second. Got to put back together, don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4. As simple as that. Me, I ended up getting into this just to make sure everything was under there correct the same way, but you don't have to. If you need to, 1, 2, 3. And start all, that is it.